Hey there. Let's talk about something nobody wants to deal with, but it's super important to know. What to do if you're in a car accident, and how to file an insurance claim. Stay calm. Take a deep breath. Move your car to a safe spot away from traffic if you can. Turn on your hazard lights. If anyone is hurt, call emergency services right away. Call the police even for minor fender benders. Get an official report. Take clear photos of the scene, both cars. Photograph the damage. Photograph the license plates. Photograph the surrounding area. Snap a shot of the other driver's insurance card, and their license too. Get their contact info. If there are witnesses, ask for names and numbers. Don't argue or admit fault. Stick to the facts with the other driver and police. Once things have calmed down, it's time to file your claim. Here's how to make it smooth and stress-free. Step 1. Contact your insurance right away. Use the company app. Or call their hotline from your phone. Tell them when and where it happened. Tell them what cars were involved and whether anyone was injured. Step 2. Send photos. Send the police report number. Send any other info they ask for. Step 3. An adjuster will likely reach out to you. They may want to inspect your car, or they may call to discuss what happened. Step 4. Once your claim is processed, your insurance will explain repairs. They'll discuss rentals and what's covered. Keep all your receipts and stay in touch with your adjuster if you have questions. And that's it. Remember, accidents are stressful, but knowing what to do can make a huge difference. Stay calm, stay safe, and keep this guide in mind just in case. Thanks for watching. Drive safe out there.